Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a placeholder to your websites and pages on Google Sites in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your website project and after that select insert in the top right. Now what you want to do, guys, is scroll down on that panel and select, let me find it here, the placeholder. So what is a placeholder? Placeholder will give editors who have access to your website project and who you are working with together on a website project the opportunity, for example, to insert their own customizable content here, like images or forms or I don't know, text boxes and so on and so forth. So you can do that by using this placeholder, and that will leave a plus button like that. And after that, your editors will have the opportunity to, as previously mentioned, use one of these options so that you don't have to do this. Of course, you can always resize the placeholder like this or like that. You can change its position as a section by clicking into this handle here and place it, for example, at the very bottom. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you click into it, you may access its settings by clicking into that button here. And here, for example, set a content type, for example, for the specific place holder, like set a file type. I don't know if you'd like to give your editors the opportunity to add only images to that placeholder, or only files from Google Drive, Google Maps, and so on and so forth. Or you leave it at any content so that your editors will, so that it will be up to them. And last but not least, you may duplicate or remove the placeholder here, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic